Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about some of my favorite DermaCo products that I would definitely repurchase once they are over. I have already made a video on my top 5 favorite DermaCo face serums. If you haven't watched that video already, I will leave the link right here. You can just go and check that video out. And you can always pick these products up whenever there is any sale on the DermaCo website, as well as these products are available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon, Purple. Also, I do have a coupon code with them. If you use that on their website, you will get extra 20% off. This is not an affiliate code, so I'm not going to make any money out of it. This is just for my subscribers. And now, without rambling much, let's get started with today's video. Okay, the first product I am going to recommend you is the Salicylic acid serum. Now, I don't have this one here with me right now because I'm done with it, and currently I'm using something else. But if you have active acne, if you have acne prone skin, if you have little bumps all over your skin, or if you have textured skin, whiteheads, blackheads, you can try this particular serum out. I will include a picture right here because I'm already done with the product. I don't have the bottle right here with me, but this is a great product to have. The next product I am going to recommend is their Salicylic acid face wash. It's a great face wash to have if you have acne prone skin. I was using this one. I have finished this one completely, and currently I'm using something else, but I would definitely repurchase this one in the future. You must be wondering what products I'm using right now for my acne prone skin. So currently I'm using their Sali-Cinamide range. It has salicylic acid as well as niacinamide. So this is their Sali-Cinamide anti-acne face wash. This is the face wash I'm using currently. Also, I'm using the DermaCo Kojic acid face wash, which is amazing. But this is something, if you have acne prone skin, if you have textured skin, or if you have pigmentation on your skin, definitely try this one out. It's a great product to have. This has 2% salicylic acid and 2% niacinamide. The salicylic acid works on your acne marks, textured skin, bumpy skin, or if you have whiteheads, blackheads, salicylic acid is going to deal with that. And it also contains niacinamide, which is going to deal with your pigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, acne scars, marks, this is going to deal with that. So if you have acne prone skin, if you have a lot of acne issues, or normally if you have acne prone skin, if you are getting bumps all over your skin, or if you have active acne, definitely try this one out. And currently I'm using their Sali-Cinamide anti-acne serum. This has 2% salicylic acid and 5% of niacinamide. So you don't have to apply a salicylic acid and a niacinamide separately if you use this one. And as I mentioned, if you have active acne or acne scars all over your skin, if you have acne prone or blemish prone skin, also if you have clogged pores or open pores, or if you have enlarged pores, this works wonders on that. Also, whenever I use this one, it gives a beautiful glow to my skin, which I absolutely love. Then I have two sunscreens to talk about. Let's start with this one. This is the DermaCo 1% Hyaluronic Sunscreen Aqua Gel with SPF of 50 and PA4+. This has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Whenever you are using any active ingredient in your skincare routine, I would highly recommend to use a sunscreen in the daytime, be it indoor or outdoor. This is very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't leave any white cast, as well as this is a fragrance-free formula. DermaCo products are really safe and effective to use. They are fragrance-free, they are dermatologically tested, and they are suitable for all skin type. And the next sunscreen that I'm going to talk about is their Pore Minimizing Priming Sunscreen with 4% of niacinamide, and it's going to give you protection from harmful UVA, UVB rays. It has SPF of 50 and PA+++. Now, if you use this one, you don't have to apply a primer separately. I wouldn't say this is going to blur out your pores, but if you have open pores, as it has niacinamide, so this is going to deal with your enlarged open pores. And also, I love how it feels on my skin. It's so moisturizing and hydrating on the skin. It's very lightweight. It doesn't leave any white cast. It's so creamy, and as this has niacinamide, it looks beautiful and glowy on the skin. Next, I'm going to talk about two of their body washes. The first one is their Salicylic acid body wash that I have finished up completely. I love that body wash. I have body acne, okay, so I get a lot of back acne, and salicylic acid is something that's going to deal with that. So if you have body acne, definitely try their salicylic acid body wash. I would highly recommend this one, and currently I'm using this one. This is their 1% Kojic acid daily brightening body wash for dark spots, pigmentation. This has Kojic acid as well as alpha arbutin, and currently I'm using this one. After coming back from the vacation, I have tanning all over my body, okay, and this is something that's going to deal with that. It takes a little bit of time. It's not magic, so you have to use it consistently, but I love using this one and I love how it feels on my body. It cleans my body so well, and it doesn't contain any fragrance to it. So if you're someone who is allergic to fragrances, definitely try this one out. If you have tan all over your body and you are looking for a good body wash, definitely try this one. The next product that I have, I don't know why people don't talk about it. I love this one, and today I'll be definitely recommending this one. So this is their 1% salicylic acid and hyaluronic night repair face serum gel. Now this is a gel product that you are supposed to apply at night before going to the bed, and this is a great product if you have active acne. Now you are supposed to apply it all over your skin before going to the bed. I don't do that because I have a little active acne here and there, but if you have a lot of active acne going on, definitely apply it all over your skin, otherwise it might dry out your skin. I use it as a spot treatment, and trust me you guys, it works so well. If you have small little bumps all over your skin, just apply it, leave it overnight, and the very next morning it just reduces the size of that acne. I have tried it and you guys can see I have still so much left because I don't apply it all over my face. I just use it as my acne treatment and it works the best. And also this has hyaluronic acid, so it doesn't dry out my skin as much as the other spot treatment product does. So I would definitely recommend this one if you have active acne especially. Definitely try this one out and let me know what you guys think. Lastly, I would highly recommend this one. This is their 30% AHA 2% BHA face peeling solution for 10 minutes weekly exfoliation. It has 10% glycolic acid, 10% lactic acid, 10% mandelic acid, and 2% salicylic acid. This is not for the beginners, okay? This is not for the beginners. If you have used chemical peels before, then only try this one. If you are a beginner, definitely start with their 15% and keep it on your skin for 3 to 4 minutes max. Now they say you are supposed to apply it on your skin for 10 minutes, but I wouldn't recommend that because it's a strong chemical peel, okay? If you have sensitive skin, it might burn your skin. So I would recommend you to keep it for 5 to 7 minutes max, which is more than enough. I do have a review video on my channel. If you don't know how to use it properly, then just go and check that video out, because if you don't use it properly, it might damage your skin, okay? So it needs to be used perfectly. And secondly, if you use this one, just use at night, and the very next morning definitely use a good amount of SPF. I do have the 15% one as well as this one. I use the 15% one, but I prefer using this one more than the 15% one. Now I am not a beginner, okay? If you are a beginner, don't go for this one. Just use a 15% one and keep it for a very short time, okay? Don't keep it for really long, it might burn your skin. Alright, the DermaCo has empowered 10,000 students this year with their Young Scientist initiative, and every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educating along with Bhumi. So yeah guys, that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. And also, if you like this video or find this video helpful, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. And definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. I would love to know that. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box. So don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you soon in my next one.